Hello everyone, Rafayet is here. In today's video I'll show you guys how to type very fast, like 150 word per minute. Like seriously? Yes, you can do this, man. So any waste your time, now let's start our today's video.
Sorry that I stole your car. Ain't got those tattoos on my
Okay, open your Chrome browser and click this apps icon and go to docs.
I've been up for 3 nights.
Okay, now click blank icon.
Bloodshot red. Damn, I wanna see the sunshine.
This interface like Microsoft Word.
To my head.
Okay, click tool icon
In the mirror, don't like what I find.
and select voice typing
I know that
and allow
somewhere
permission.
there there's a good guy. I'm sorry that I stole your car. Ain't got those tattoos on my arms that don't mean shit to me. Maybe you should pull the alarm, so I don't take it way too far. Die before I'm 23. I'm sorry, Mom.
You can change any language. Thank you so much to watch this video. If you really enjoyed this video, like this video and also subscribe my YouTube channel. See you again in the new video. Tata.